We begin at 5 o'clock with new developments in a shocking murder that rocked the town of Ellington. Today, Richard Debate was back in court, fighting to have a key piece of evidence blocked. Good evening and thanks for joining us on this Wednesday. I'm Dennis House. Richard Debate is accused of murdering his wife at their home in 2015, just before Christmas. Today, his lawyers argued what Debate said to police after the murder should not be allowed as evidence. Channel 3 eyewitness news reporter Mike Savino was in the courtroom and joins us now live in Rockville. And Mike, you would think that this conversation was fairly significant, so why would they want it tossed out?
Well, Dennis, Debate himself was taken to the hospital after his wife was killed, and that's when he talked with police. But his own attorneys say that police violated his constitutional rights while they were taking that interview. Police say Debate was not a suspect and that they told him he was free to leave. But lawyers point out he was still a patient at the hospital when they arrived, so he essentially couldn't leave. They also say state police didn't do enough. They could have told Debate, for example, that he had the right to ask them to leave.
Did you tell him he's free to make you leave? I don't think so.
But the two detectives who talked with Debate maintain that he was cooperative the whole time.
Would you say he was cooperative or uncooperative?
Cooperative.
Was he providing information?
Yes, sir.
The two detectives also say they began to view him as a suspect during the interview. One reason? They say he showed a lack of emotion while recounting watching an intruder shoot his wife.
I haven't seen someone who would have gone through an event like this not be more hysterical.
Debate also said the intruder attacked him, causing the injuries that sent him to the hospital. Detectives also found inconsistencies in his statement, including an affair with a woman who was 7 months pregnant. Debate initially said he and his wife agreed to co-parent a child with that woman. But later, he acknowledged that that pregnancy was not planned and that he and his wife were trying to work things out. Now, as part of their arguments, prosecutors began playing that 6.5-hour interview today, but they only got through about 90 minutes of the tape. Obviously, stops for questionings about what was going on during that interview. Coming up on Eyewitness News at 6, we'll have more about what happened in today's proceedings, including a separate motion from Debate to try to move this case to a different courthouse. Live from Rockville, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News. Okay.